Hello, I'm weather forecaster Blake Mattull, and this is your NewsLink weather. Today we'll be starting with today's almanac. Currently, right now, our current high temperature for today is 47 degrees, slightly below our average high of 51 degrees, but really low compared to our record high of 70 degrees set all the way back in 1985, nearly 40 years ago on the day. Next, current temperatures, as you can see, Muncie at 45 degrees, Indianapolis at 48, Bloomington all the way at 50, and Terre Haute all the way at 52 degrees. As we break it down into our smaller towns surrounding Muncie, as we can see, Portland at 48, Hafford City at 46, Marion all the way at 43, Anderson at 45, and Farmland at 45 degrees. Next, we look at our next 12 hours. As you see, from about 2 to about 10 p.m., as you can see, we go from our mid-40s into our lower 40s, but as we get into the nighttime with between 11 and 1 a.m., you can see those temperatures dip into the 30s, but mostly sit at a comfortable 36 degrees in our mid-30s. Tonight, we have chances for mixed precipitation with a low of 28 degrees with winds coming from the west at 15 miles an hour with an additional gust of 25 miles an hour, which means if you are going to go for a walk, make sure to bring coat, hat, and gloves with to take into consideration the very cool temperatures because of that wind gust. Our 24-hour temperature change, as you can see, very, very low numbers. Muncie at negative 22 degrees, Fort Wayne at negative 24 degrees, very, very, very cold. But as we get into more to the northwest and towards down south, as you can see, Kokomo at negative 16, Lafayette at negative 15, and Terre Haute at negative 16 degrees. As we look into our precision cast, right now, as we can see, mostly rain in our precision cast. But as we get into Thursday, as you can see, we can see snow. And as you can see more towards Lafayette, you can see we get that much heavier snow. But mostly for Muncie, as you can see, we get into that mix of low and medium range of snow. And as we get into about Friday, as you can see, that snow gets pushed out, and we go back to our rainy but more cloudy skies into Saturday morning. Wind gusts, as you can see right now, this is our current wind gust right now with Winchester 24 miles an hour out from the northwest, Muncie also 24 miles per hour out of the northwest. But as we get farther into Thursday, as you can see, mostly stays the same, but as you can see, Anderson is having wind gusts of 27 miles an hour from the west, which is very substantial, especially with that snow coming in. So we can see some pretty interesting conditions coming from that. But as we get into Friday, as you can see, it mostly calms down where we have most of our wind gusts between the higher singles into going to our double digits with like 12 miles an hour. Tomorrow we will have a chance of snow with a high of 30 degrees with winds coming from the west at 15 miles an hour with gusts of 30 miles an hour. So once again, for tonight, if you wish to go for a walk, especially when you're walking for class, make sure to bring a coat, hat, and gloves to take into consideration that wind gust to make it feel a lot colder. Our 7-day forecast, as we can see here, Thursday and Friday, we have those chances for snow with temperatures ranging from 30 to 43 degrees. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will mostly be warmer, but as you can see, Saturday and Tuesday will have chances of rain ranging from 46 to 49, with Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday being mostly cloudy with temperatures ranging in our 50s, but from 50 to 58. For more weather, visit our Facebook or Twitter page at NLI Weather.